Hi everyone, Henry here with another value-packed video. Now, starting a new business in 2025 and beyond will not cost you an arm and a leg. It will literally take you 2 to 3 steps for you to start online business in 2025. And that's what I'm about to do. I want to show you how you can start an online business from scratch as a beginner. And the good news is you don't even need to have every single thing that people talk about, right? But as a beginner, all you need is just some basic tools, right? So with some basic tools, we are good to go. And I want to show you the most important tool you will need to start an online business. Most people just go about starting an online business without thinking about the tool that is required. And in this video, trust me, this is the only tool you need for you to start your own online business. If you're hearing about this tool for the first time, then it means you are not alone. So we are talking about System.io, the all-in-one marketing tool that you need to start an online business. I want to walk you through everything about this system to help you literally start your own business. The good news is that this tool is free. So let's talk about it. Why is this tool free and what can you do with this particular tool? Right? What can you do with it and why is it free? Right. So as you can see right now, this tool is trusted by over 100,000 entrepreneurs all over the world, and they have a lot of testimonials. I have been using this tool for a couple of years now, and I can tell you that this tool is fantastic. The first thing you want to do with this tool is to create a sales funnel. Now, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, literally, this is how people make money on the internet. If you are just starting out and you are wondering what is a sales funnel, let me give you a basic illustration of what a sales funnel is. And this is how people make money on the internet. Now, imagine this. Oh, this is not good. Let's take it back. Now, something like this, right? Your typical funnel design. In a sales funnel, what you have the top of the sales funnel, right? This is what we call top of the funnel. It's called tofu, right? People come to this top of the funnel. The first instance, what do they come for? They want to know about your business. They want to understand what you do, right? They want to really get to understand if what you have is for them. Then later they go deep. They keep scrolling and they are understanding that, oh, this thing is for me. At that point, they are in what we call the MOFU, right? Which is an acronym for the middle of the funnel. They come on that now they are absorbing a lot of information. They are getting to know what you are selling, right? They are understanding it, and now they are thinking if this thing is for me. They are getting an idea of the solution your product is offering. Then before you know, they go down to the bottom of the funnel, and this is what we call the BOFU. Now in the BOFU here, this is the point where they get to even make decision. This is where they make decision if they are buying your product today or not. Now, when they are at this point where they are thinking about making decision, at this point, their decision will either be, yes, I want to buy from you, or no, this product is not for me. So at the end, most likely we want to see that it ends up in yes. That simply means that we are going to be making a lot of money. But for you to create something like this, that people will buy stuff from you, you need to have a funnel. And that is where System.io, the tool, that is where the tool comes to play, because this tool allows you to build a sales funnel, right? So that is just a basic breakdown of what a sales funnel is. Now you can create sales funnel. This can be in the form of lead magnet. This can be a landing page. This can be a very long sales copy that tells people about your product in whatever shape or form, right? That is what you use this tool for. And that is one thing that you need this tool for. Now, talking about this, you have sales funnel separate and you have a website, right? Full-fledged website like the one you do with your WordPress or some other platform like Katra. Or if you are coming from all these platforms, you already know what it means. And you don't need to have a WordPress website anymore. You can build your own website using System.io. I migrated 2 of my WordPress website onto System.io because I was spending almost an arm and a leg on different stuff on that platform. The hosting platform keep increasing money. Not only that, also plugins and other things that I was using were just costing a lot. Before I knew, I spent close to $2,000 a year on both websites. Now I switched to this plan. It saved me a lot and I get almost everything for free. So you see, that is why this tool is so important. Another thing is you can be able to manage affiliate on this platform. So if you are selling, so now let's say you have a product. Now when you have this product you need people to sell this product, right? You need people to sell the product for you, or you can sell it yourself. Now you need to have a platform that allow people to sign up. So normally you need a platform that people can sign up, right? Like a website, where they can sign up and they can now have an affiliate link that will allow them to say, yes, I want to sell for you. I want to be an affiliate for your product. And after them becoming an affiliate, when they sell your product, every time they sell your product, let's say you have a product of that costs $70. Every time they sell this particular product, they get commission, right? Commission of, let's say, you get commission of 30% or even from 30 to 75% of the commission. Now they are your affiliates. You can create something like this to give people commission when they sell for you. It can be 10%. It must not be up to this amount, right? But the good news is if you are selling digital products, you can give people up to 75% when you are selling digital products. And when you have these customers, they buy the first product from you, you can now upsell them. You can upsell them a package of, let's say, $200, maybe a video course, right? From them buying something of just $10. Can you see? $10. In this $10, you give your affiliate $7 from it. You only have $3. Now, $7 is about 7%, 70%, right? You have $3. But from the people who are buying this stuff here, you upsell them something of $250K. Now, you are not paying anything. You are taking 100% of these $200. Can you see how it works? That is why people go for affiliate marketing and what. So it's a win-win for everyone when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you can create something like this, a landing page. You can have an affiliate marketing platform, just like where I have. So this platform, as you can see, System.io is so vast. You can do a lot, right? Your website, your landing page, you can create an app on it using custom HTML. It's an app on the System.io platform. Now, I'm not paying anything to host this app. This is another app again that helps you calculate your revenue, and I'm not paying a dime because it's free. So this tool is crazy. It's literally crazy. So I don't know why you will go for WordPress when you have a tool like this. Look at another one. You'll be able to create an online course and host it on the same platform, right? This. Sometimes I wonder if these guys are making profit. Now, not only that, you can have your automation done on the same platform. System.io is crazy. Now, if you are a consultant, you want to be running a webinar, teaching people, communicating with your clients, or educating them, you need this platform. If you're a small business owner, you want to make sure that you are selling your products on the internet and you are collecting your money from the same platform. You are giving them access to your courses, and you're also delivering the same product on that same platform. Then System.io is your platform. Guess what? It will cost you free. You will not pay anything to have this platform today. So click the link below for System.io and start using the platform. Now, there are other features that you might want to upgrade to if you choose to do that. As a beginner, you don't need to upgrade anything because you're just starting. So you just need to use this platform and you have a lot of advantage. Almost everything is for free when you are starting. Only when you are now making money, you can now upgrade to higher plan where you can start paying $24, right? Just $24 per month. That is like chicken change compared to how much you will pay if you are using stuff like WordPress. But now, if you want to know the difference between this particular tool and other tools, I have video. And if you want to know how to create your website using this tool in 5 minutes, right? You want to create a full-fledged website or a landing page in 5 minutes, watch the next video and see you in the next one.